In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Borderlands 3 crashing on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you plenty of easy to follow instructions on what to do if Borderlands 3 or any other games are crashing on your PlayStation 4. So there are several ways to go about doing this. So some steps that you can try, going from simplest to more involved solutions. First, update the game and the system. This might seem simple and nonsensical, but making sure that your PlayStation 4 is connected to the internet and that Borderlands 3 itself has downloaded and installed any available updates can be crucial for bug fixes and crashes. So double check your PlayStation 4's system software and also Borderlands 3. As long as both are on the latest version available, they are going to ensure a good performance and also no crashes. Besides this, you can also try restarting your PlayStation 4. Once again, this might seem simple, however, restarts can often clear temporary glitches that might be causing issues, especially if you haven't restarted your PlayStation 4 in a while. Besides this, close down any unused application because those can put a lot of strain on system resources. By closing them down, all of the system resources are going to be focused on running Borderlands 3 alone. If all of these steps do not work, you can try reinstalling the game entirely. This is going to ensure a clean installation and eliminate any possible corrupted or missing files. And besides this, there's not much else that you can do. Borderlands 3 is not a very well optimized game, and if all else fails, it could be an indicator that your PlayStation 4 is overheating or is having hardware issues. I would recommend making sure that it can get enough clean air around it, and if it is too crammed inside of some piece of furniture, it could be overheating. So make sure that you give it a clean through. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Borderlands 3 crashing on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.